It was by accident. I actually was doing animal science, animal genetics, and then there's a supervisor of mine that convinced me that genetics can be applied on both animals and plants. And then I started to do apple genomics in South Africa, and I fell in love with plant genomics and how I could manipulate the systems using the knowledge that I got from animal genetics into plant genomics. I'm currently the serial genomics and research manager at RAGT. So I basically work with the genomics and genetics team in developing the genomics tools that we need to tackle most of the questions that we need and the breeders that need to answer within the breeding program. So that encompasses both the genetics part component and the genomics and bioinformatics within the entire research team at RAGT. I love the bioinformatics. I love getting lost in the data and just working out the problems on my own, developing tools, pipelines, and making sure that I deliver a product to the breeders that is usable. Because it's always, most of the time, the tools that have been developed by academics are not. You can't lift them off the shelf into using them commercially. So you need to work out pipelines that do fit within a breeding pipeline, and that's always been exciting for me. I would always encourage anyone who's coming up in plant science to learn a bit of coding earlier on, because where we are moving, you will need, because we are now using big data science, and the amount of data that we are gathering, whether be it phenotypically or genetically, has become so enormous that the tools that you need even as a breeder, a bit of coding is always something that you need to have at hand. So I would encourage everyone to do a bit of coding, learn a bit of Perl, learn a bit of Python, know your code, know your computational tools. It will always be something that you use down the line.